What does that sound with the chiropractic adjustment? Chiropractors don't just rely on the cracking noise to treat pain. That noise is just gas being released from the joint capsule, not bones being put back in place or crashing together. At Lake Effect Chiropractic, we use the chiropractic adjustment because they're really helpful, but we also complement it with soft tissue work, shockwave therapy, and strength-based rehab to actually fix how your body is moving. You deserve more than just temporary relief. You deserve a real plan, so reach out today if you're ready to stop ignoring your pain and waiting for that pain to stop returning. Call us today, 989-686-6808.